Hi everybody, this is Lamont, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to mute notifications on Twitter, certain types of notifications. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and follow me on YouTube. And without further ado, let's get going. So this is twitter.com. I'm logged into my account. This is the account down here, Harvard Extended. And I'm on the notification screen. This is true whether you're using Safari or Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Chrome. You should see something like this. Now, notifications, you get all kinds of notifications when people like your tweets. Sometimes people will retweet something. Sometimes people will leave a comment or something like that. What I want to do is mute certain types of notifications. To do that, go to More, pick Settings and Privacy, and then you'll see an option called Notifications. And on the right side, there's two types, Filters and Preferences. Let's go to Filters. So the interesting thing is there's a quality filter that's going on. You can select that if you want. I've actually don't select it because sometimes it leads to situations I don't like. For instance, let's say a lot of my friends are retweeting the same thing, and I might want to see that because that may indicate that it's important. But muted notifications are an interesting area. This means you can mute notifications from people you don't follow, people who don't follow you, people with a new account, people who have a default profile photo. And this means just somebody who's like an egg. Let's see if I can find somebody. Sometimes they pop up here. Okay, I don't see anybody. Oh yeah, here's one right here. This particular person just has a default profile photo. So they haven't uploaded something yet. That's usually a quality indicator. So the other thing that I like to do is notifications, filters, muted notifications. Who haven't confirmed their email, who haven't confirmed their phone number. The reason why you might want to select these two is it's a sign that they're a spammer. And sometimes spammers can fill up your notifications with junk that you don't like. So that's how I usually mute some of my notifications. Unfortunately, I found that certain types of notifications cannot be muted. And what's an example of them? Yeah, these type. So this is somebody I follow. And sometimes if I'm, maybe I'm not logged in for a while, I'll get something like this. In case you missed Aaron Bartram's tweet, blah, 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 you should read this. Sometimes I get prompted to look at something that one of the people I'm following likes, and I don't like that, but I haven't figured out how to turn off those particular notifications yet. Twitter is always changing the rules, the way things work, and sometimes that can be pretty frustrating trying to navigate it because all of a sudden you get this junk showing up in your notifications that you don't want to watch, but there's no way to really turn it off. For more information on how to get the most out of technology, go to in30minutes.com. We have a whole series of books written by expert authors. Genealogy Basics is written by Shannon Combs Bennett. It won an award. We have books about Google, books about Dropbox, books about Microsoft products. It's all available on in30minutes.com. This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.